Here are some autofill answers during an interview. So kaya kung nag-a-apply ka, watch this video, bookmark it for your next interview, at i-share mo din to sa kaibigan mo nag-a-apply din. Hi everyone, my name is Tito J and I've been a freelancer for over 5 years and specifically I'm a freelance hiring manager. So sa video na to, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga autofill answers na dapat nyong iwasan during sa interview nyo. So una is bad-mouthing your employer. Now, naintindihan ko na meron talagang kumpanya or mga managers or boss na sobrang toxic nila sa workplace. Pero kahit gaano ka pa ka-frustrated or stressed dyan sa boss mo or sa dating company mo, wag na wag mo silang iba-badmouth sa prospective client mo or prospective employer mo. Kasi kapag ginawa mo yun, it makes you look unprofessional. So instead na mag-random rant ka lang, use positive scripting and explain the situation to make you look and sound professional. Number 2, I don't have any questions. Most of the time, near the end of the interview, magtatanong yung interviewer sa'yo kung meron ka pang question. Kasi kapag sinagot mo lang ng no or none, it shows na hindi ka interested talaga doon sa trabaho. Kaya dapat mag-prepare ka ng 3 to 4 questions. Pero yung tatanungin mo lang is maybe isa or dalawa na relevant doon sa interview at hindi nyo pa napag-usapan. Kasi if you ask questions at the end of the interview, it shows that you're really interested at seryoso ka sa paghahanap ng trabaho. Pangatlo, saying I don't have any weakness. Walang taong perpekto. So kapag sinabi mo na wala kang weakness, either magmumukha kang sinungaling or magmumukha kang mayabang. Number 4, overconfident ka or arrogante ka na. Connected din to dun sa number 3. So okay lang na maging confident ka sa interview but not to the point na nagmumukha ka ng arrogante o mayabang. Kasi ang mangyayari dito, iisipin nung nag-i-interview sa'yo na hindi ka team player at hindi mo makakasundo yung magiging teammates mo. Then number 5, kung meron kang ibang planong sinabi. So during your interview, most probably ma-encounter mo yung tanong na, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Kung sinagot mo dito is not related dun sa trabaho mo, let's say sinabi mo mag-aaral ka or may bala kang mag-abroad or may bala kang i-pursue na ibang field, then automatic yun, ma-auto-fail ka. Kasi iisipin ng company, mag-i-invest sila ng pera sa'yo during your training. Pero kung saglit ka lang din naman mag-i-stay at hindi ka nila mapapakinabangan, hindi ka na nila i-hire. So kaya dapat yung isasagot mo dito is aligned dun sa goals ng company. So kung hindi ka sure kung paano sagutin yung questions na yun, pwede mo i-check yung playlist ko ng Q&A questions during the interview sa profile ko.